So now let's quickly look at the Polygon tool. It is located right beside the circle tool. Let's select it and see how it works. So by default, you will get a 6-sided polygon, which is also called a hexagon. Click anywhere to set the center point. So after that, the one thing that you'll notice is that there's a dotted circle appearing outside the polygon. The dotted line can actually be toggled from outside to inside. In order to do so, hit the Control key if you're on a PC, or Option if you're on a Mac. You can also try the Command key on the Mac. So now let's bring it back to the outside, and let's look at another feature. We can change the number of sides. For example, you can type in 5S. The S stands for segments, and you will get a pentagon. If you type in 3S, you will get an equatorial triangle. So now let's change it back to the hexagon, and just click anywhere to place it. So there's one more thing which I wanted to show you guys. There is an option on the default tray right here, which is called Entity Info. Let's look at the function of it. By clicking on the face here, you can see on the Entity Info what's the area of this space. It is currently showing in square meter. That's because we have chosen for a meter template. And let's see what happens if you click on these lines. You will get different infos like radius, segments, and the perimeter. You can also change the number of segments from here. You can just type in and hit the Enter key, and it is changed into a pentagon. Since you guys are not yet familiar with the tags and grouping, we are not going to talk about it yet in this video, but in the upcoming lessons.